what's up guys, my name is Grishma and welcome to my channel. And in this video, as you can already read the title down below, I'm going to be sharing with you how I edit my Instagram photos. And my Instagram feed has gone through a lot of different phases, I could say, like different themes. The first it had the white theme, the blue theme, the pink theme, and now it has the vintage looking warm color tone kind of a theme. And if you're wondering like what is theme, like basically on Instagram people upload photos that look kind of similar. The feel of the photo is kind of similar, the look of the photo is very similar to the previous one, and that is called a theme. Like the whole set of photos look in the same way. Or for achieving that, all you have to do is that you have to apply the same set of filters, the same set of settings to each and every photo of yours. And if you do that regularly, like every time you upload a photo, your Instagram will look like it has a theme on it. Now a lot of bloggers use this technique to make the Instagram look beautiful, look nice, and I am quite inspired by that as well, and that is why I also wanted a theme to go on my Instagram as well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I edit my Instagram photos, and it's a pretty easy process. Like you only need two apps basically for editing. Like that is what I use. The first one being Snapseed. I have mentioned this app in my previous videos as well. I use this for basic tuning of the image. The second app that I use is called the Color Tune app. Now I came across this app like a year ago maybe, and ever since I've been using this app. So I was randomly scrolling through my Instagram when this advertisement of Color Tune just popped onto my screen, and I saw that it had some really nice filters, and so I went ahead and downloaded this app. And the few filters are free and few are not free, and I'm going to show you how I edit my Instagram photos, like the whole process, and it's quite easy, and even you can do it to edit your photos as well. Okay, so I've already have my photo imported on Snapseed app, so I'm going to go to tools, then go to tune images, and then start tuning the image. That is, I first change the brightness, the contrast, saturation just a little bit, ambience. Now ambience is a feature that I absolutely love. I've mentioned this in my previous videos as well. Like I am obsessed with this feature. It can transform the photo totally. Like this is the before and this is how it looks right now, but I'm not going to keep it to the maximum. I think this much will be good for now. The highlights, I just play around with the whole settings. There's no such set of rules that I follow. Every image is different and all the settings won't be appropriate for every image. For the shadow, I'll just add this much. I have mentioned that all my photos have this warm looking theme, like a vintage looking theme going on, and that is why I like to add the warm to this photo as well. Like I'm not gonna go overboard with it, just this much would be fine. And yeah, just take it and I'm gonna save it. Now what the save features does is that it saves the setting in the actual image itself, and that is why it says allow Snapseed to modify the photo, and I just click modify. And if you want the settings to be saved in another image, then there's a feature called as export, and when you export the image, it says exported successfully. Okay, so I'm going to start editing the picture right now. So I have already imported the image onto the Color Tune app, and I'm going to click on the image, and there's a small button in the left hand side. Just click on that and the photo is imported onto your screen, and this is where you can do all the magic. There are three types of filter sets that are available. I like the one called the client. So I use the retro me filter to each and every photo of mine. Like whatever I upload on Instagram has a retro me filter on it. So I don't like to keep it to the maximum because it's too yellowish. Bring it a little bit down. And this app recently came with a new update. So there are these light leaks that they have. So if you like, you can add those in as well. Like this looks good. Yeah, I like to also sharpen the image, and then also there is a feature for adding the dust effect. So I just go along and see which dust I like. There are a lot of options to choose from. I think the 21 goes, there are like 20 options to choose from. So here's the before and here's the after. I just then go on and save the image. The image is saved and then I go to export the image. Now saving the image saves the image in the app itself, and exporting it exports it into your photo library. That was for an image. So what if I have to edit a selfie? I literally do the same step again. I hardly take selfies anymore, but for the sake of this video I have taken this one and go again to client, retro me, just bring down the I think 50%, go to sharpen the image, and then I don't like to add dust in each and every photo, but for few pictures I do. I think this looks good. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit down. There's also a feature in which you can actually save all the settings onto the app itself. So if I want these particular settings to be saved, so I can just click the save button over here, and I can add Insta and just click on OK. So whenever I have to edit a photo, I can just paste these settings. This is the before, this is the after. I'm just gonna crop it because there's someone sitting behind. Yeah, save it, and then I'm gonna export it. That is how I edit my Instagram photos. It's very easy. This app is both available for Android and iOS also. Before it was only available for iOS, but now this app is available on the Play Store as well, and I absolutely love the app. I think you should also give this app a try because it has truly some great filters on it, and you don't need any other external apps. You can just use this app and you are good to go. That was it for my video. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and also found it helpful, and if you did like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.